A very good morning to you, dear children. How are you? So in our course book, we were on chapter number 2, inside and outside, and in our last video, we read this chapter. Okay, now we are going to do the back exercise of this chapter. Fine. So before this, I would like to request all my dear children to carry one sharpened pencil with them and one eraser with them. Okay, and everyone is going to write down beautifully, nicely. The correct formation of the letters should be there, and always remember Pushpanjali ma'am is going to check your books and notebooks. So the work that you are doing should be neat, tidy and impressive. Okay? Fine. Now we are going to do the back exercise of this chapter. Okay, now open page number 25 of this chapter, in which it's written, let's enrich our word store. Fine. So the A exercise that is there is, look at each group of words, which one is different, and say why it is different. So here we can see at number 1, 4 objects are given, and here we have to find out which object is different, and also we have to give a logic behind our selection, that why that object is different. For example, in part 1, we have the picture of a table, the second picture is of a car, the third picture is of a bed, and the fourth picture is of a chair. Right. Now, why car is circled? Car is circled because it is different from the rest 3. Now, why is it different? Because table, bed, chair, all these are furniture items, but car is not a furniture item, right? So, car is different from all the rest 3. Now, we are going to look at the other 2 parts also in our answer key, and I'll explain you why that particular thing is different. Now, the exercise that is below A exercise is, write the names of these things below the picture. Now, here the help box is given. 6 words are written in this help box, and below 6 pictures are there, right? And the blank is there below every picture. For example, the picture is here and the blank is here, so we have to write down the name of the object on this blank. Okay. Now we are going to move to the answer key, and I am going to explain you how you are going to write down the answer. Yes. Now in the second part, the 4 pictures that are given to us are of bun, bag, box, bottle. Now, which one is different? Why Pushpanjali ma'am has circled bun? Because bun we can eat. We can eat the bun. But we cannot eat a bag, we cannot eat a box, we cannot eat a bottle, right? And the other reason is also that all the 3 things, the bag, box and bottle, they are used to keep the things. But bun is not used to keep anything. Bun we are going to eat only. So we are going to circle bun here. That is different. Okay. So with your pencil, with the help of your pencil, you are going to circle bun. Please circle it. Now coming to the third point, where the 4 pictures are of goat, cow, tree, horse. Now, what is different in this? It is very obvious that tree is different, and you are going to circle it. And why? Because goat, cow and horse are animals, but tree is not an animal. So, you are going to circle tree. Okay, done? Now, moving to the B exercise. Now, we are going to read out the words that are given in the help box. Please have a look at the cursor where Pushpanjali ma'am is keeping the cursor, and you are going to keep your first finger on that cursor, on that word, and you are going to read it along with me. Clear? Now, the first word is plate, glass, belt, comb, soap, broom. Okay. Now, we are going to write down the words below the objects. For example, this is a belt. So here we are going to write down on the blank B-E-L-T, belt. Clear? This is a picture of a soap. So you are going to write soap below it. This is a picture of a plate. So you are going to write plate below it. Clear? Here in the same manner you are going to write down the names of these 3 objects and complete this exercise on this page. Clear? Now moving to the next exercise. Here children, we have done singular and plural very nicely, and I think you are remembering that singular or one means that when we are talking about only one thing, right? And more than one or plural is that when we are talking about more than one thing or many things. And we always add s to make some words mean more than one. So whenever we have to transform a particular word into plural, we are going to add s. For example, this is a picture of one boy, so it's written a boy. Now it is a picture of two boys, so that's why it is written boys. Fine. Now moving to the answer key. This is a picture of a cake. Now there are 1, 2, 3 cakes. That means plural. We are talking about more than one. So here we are going to add s to it, and we are going to write CAKES, cakes. Fine, because here we are talking about plural things. A kite. We are talking about one kite, and here 3 kites are there. That's why we have written kites. Now in the fourth and the fifth part, the plural is given and we are supposed to write the singular or just one. So whenever we are going to talk about just one, we are going to remove the s from that. Like it is bells. So now here, because there is only one bell, so we are going to write a bell. Here birds is written, and here we are going to, the picture is showing only one bird, so we are going to write a bird. Clearly, everyone is going to write down the words very nicely and neatly. Fine. Now moving to the next exercise. Read these sentences. The gate is open. Now why is used here? Look into the picture. Fine. Here we are talking about just one gate, right? The cows are in the garden. How many cows are there? 1, 2. Plural. So just remember one thing. We are going to use is when we are talking about one thing. We are going to use are when we are talking about more than one thing. Clear? Is used for singular and are is used for more than one. Now here fill in the blanks with is or are. Here is the picture that is given. Fine, and we are going to use is and are in these blanks given. Now the first part is this park dash near my home. Now here how many parks are there? Only one. How many parks are there? Only. How many parks are there? Only one. So we are going to use is here. Fine. We are going to use is here. A boy dash on the swing. How many boys are there on the swing? Only one. So that's why we are going to use is here. 2 girls dash on the seesaw. Now here we can see in the picture 2 girls are there on the seesaw. Plural, more than one. So we are going to use are here. Some monkeys dash in a tree. Now monkeys, it's a plural because we are talking about plural or more than one. So we are going to use are in this. A baby monkey dash eating a banana. Here we can see only one monkey is eating the banana. So a baby monkey means we are talking about one baby monkey, that is singular, and here we are going to use is. So you are just going to remember one golden rule, that is used when we are talking about one thing and are is used when we are talking about more than one thing. Simple, 2 things you are going to remember for now. And everyone is going to complete the work very nicely because Pushpanjali ma'am is going to check these books, check these exercises. So complete it very nicely. Fine. Take care. Thank you so much.